it's Aqua with WTI, and I love my Rustic Town leather crossbody bag. Dare I say, the most perfect bag? I love this style. Very timeless, vintage, and a little boho. You can wear this bag in any season, and it's really great for just everyday use. I love that it's made of genuine leather. It's going to stand the test of time. Has a nice pocket on the outside, also a privacy pocket on the inside, and a tech pocket in the back. You can fit your water bottle, wallet, sunglass case, and all the little things that you need for every day. It's not a really big bag, but not too small either, just really nice for everyday use. I also like that it has a tech pocket. It could be used for a small tablet or your phone. This bag is easy to open, pull out your phone, easy to close, and secure what's inside. I like that it has rivets that hold the strap, so this strap will not be breaking off anytime soon. A small detail that matters is that it can stand up on its own. This bag isn't going to fall over or be slouching if you set it down. Additionally, it has a nice canvas strap with a leather overlay. It can be adjusted to any size. An additional zipper pocket in the back as well. This is just a quality overall bag. Makes me say it's perfect. I love it, and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.